here. What's happening? Okay, I hope you're good today. All right, so this one, guys, is a killer. I don't want to fuck around. You know, I put in $100 a few days ago just to test the platform, and ever since I put in that money, I got really good daily earnings. So 1.07 on the 14th, 1.61, 0.86, 0.43. and 105. So on average it's around 0.75% net daily earning Monday to Friday and weekends as well. So it's actually every single day. Okay, so this one is a killer. I've been watching it for quite a few weeks now. A lot of big names, and I say big names, just got into this one. So I mean, it doesn't mean anything, of course. Anything can disappear, and I'm not a financial analyst, obviously, but this one for me is potentially the new Cashfx. I want to get in big and I want to get in early. So after testing the water, $100, I'm just going to upgrade to the next one because for me, I mean, there's no point wasting time. Okay. So I was on the bronze license for $100, which was nothing really. So I'm going to upgrade right now to the next one, which is the $500 license. So you can select it here on your dashboard, bronze plus $100. And pay now. And the reason why I've got 1256 already, I've made like 12% in a few days, is because they've got so many bonuses, guys. They've got the battery bonus, they've got the direct bonus, they've got the matching bonus, they've got the rank and rank bonus, they've got a quick start bonus. I mean, you're gonna get so much spillover from me and other people. It's not even funny. So yes, you can earn passively while sitting on your ass doing nothing, but on top of that, if you share your referral link, if you share this platform with your friends, you can get other bonuses as well, you know. And in one of my videos, I will explain precisely what the affiliate program is and why it's so interesting for you guys to promote this platform. Okay, not only that, again, if you choose not to do anything at all, you can just passively earn 0.75% per day on average. Okay, so some days are going to be better than others, but these guys are here to stay. These guys are not here to fuck around, and this is, to me, the new Cashfx. Again, let me upgrade right now to the bronze plus license. $500. I'm going to go pay now. Yes, I'm going to open my Exodus wallet at the same time. Right, so I'm going to pay in BTC. I'm going to go pay now. And the reason why I only need to pay 0.03 is because they're using my current balance for the difference. So I don't need to pay a brand new license. I can just complete with what I've got already. So if I go to our friend Google, and if I check, okay, no, this is not what I wanted. That was for another video. So if I check BTC to USD, okay, let me double check this for you guys. Oh, how come $500? How come I need to pay this? I thought I just need to complete. Let me check. New license. Let me double check something, guys. Let me double check something. I thought I would be able to pay with the difference, but maybe not. Maybe not. Why don't let me upgrade? Because I did it incorrectly. I need to go here and upgrade. This is what I'm looking for. Upgrade now. Okay, you don't need to pay the full license. You can just upgrade from your current balance. So I'm going to select bronze plus, $500, upgrade now. Let's do it. Yes, so that's why it's a bit less now. I've got $400 USDT pay now. Yes, so I'm just going to double check something again. So this amount here is $400. And I'm going to pay now because I've got a license for $100 already. So this is $400 to upgrade. Pay now. Boom. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna open my Exodus wallet. I'm not gonna show you guys my wallet this time. I'm gonna go send. Here I can show you from this bit here. So you go to Exodus wallet, you copy and paste this address here. They give you the same for your first deposit, guys. Same principle. You copy and paste this bit of letters and numbers into your Exodus wallet, and you're gonna go. You're going to go. How much do we need to? You need to put in this amount here. Okay, 0.3034. So copy. I'm gonna go paste here, and I'm gonna go send. Boom! Yes, I'm sure. Boom! And it's sent. Okay, let's see how long it's gonna take you guys or checkers to receive. So I'm gonna go time now. I'm actually in Sydney, so time now in Sydney. It's oh, come on. Time right now. Give me the time so I can show you guys. Okay, 7:57. Let's see how long it takes. I'm gonna pause this video and update you guys as soon as the money is received. All right, let's see, guys, and we are back. Let's see what's going on here. Let me refresh this page and see if my money has been accepted. Refreshing. Okay, more info. Total license 1. Okay, so we're still waiting. We've got an external transaction that has been created here. Okay, so we have to wait a bit more. What time is it now? Time in Sydney is, it was 5:50. Okay, 8:16. We need to wait a bit now. No problem. Okay, guys, looks like I'm gonna have to run. I've got stuff to do today. I'm gonna refresh this one last time, and if this doesn't appear, I'm gonna have to pause the video and update you guys later on this evening. So let me have one more look at this transaction to see it's been approved. I don't want to go. Okay, let me just I don't want to go check it on the blockchain. External transaction, blah blah blah. Okay, so it's still processing here. I've got $100 USD. I should be getting $500 here, and I will update you tonight because now I've got to run. Let me have a look. Time now, refresh. It's been 20 minutes already, which is not a long time, but you should probably get there in the next 5 minutes or so. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video and update you guys tonight. Stay tuned and speak soon. We are back. I'm back from my day, and I'm super excited because I just started this new boot camp. It's some sort of military boot camp, and I'm super pumped, super excited. And yeah, so as you can see here, total value in USDT has changed. It's now $500, and it's great because I'm now on the Bronze Plus package. And I'm starting my journey with Qubittech. I've been telling you guys about this platform for the past few weeks. Started with it a few days ago, and guess who just went in today? As I was shooting this video this morning, I just realized that the Oracle just joined in as well. Okay, so if you guys don't know the Oracle, whether you hate him or love him, I mean, this guy he knows his shit. Okay, he was in Cashfx. He's still in Cashfx. He made like thousands in Cashfx, and he was in My Passive Trades before it collapsed, and he was in all the big stuff. And when I was, it's funny because when I was watching his videos a few days ago, I was like, oh, I wish I could call a platform like this guy and get in so early. And guess what? For the first time, I actually called this platform before him. I mean, he wasn't the only one, obviously, but it's good to see that this platform is getting the exposure that it deserves, you know, and a lot of big names like this guy. And again, doesn't matter if you love him or hate him, but this guy knows his shit. Okay, and it's good to see that some big names are into it. And I'm not into, okay, let's fight against each other, you know, the Oracle against Crypto Analyzer against Cryptodon against Crypto Muscle again. I don't really care. I mean, if you guys get into any of these guys and if you win, everyone wins. Okay, so what you need to do is do your own research. You can go see what this guy has to say about it. You can go see Crypto Muscle. You can go see, I think Cryptodon is into it. Actually, maybe not Cryptodon. I don't think he's into that particular one. But you can do your research, guys. Don't just believe me. Do your research. I've been telling you guys about this platform for the past few weeks. Do your research. And if you feel like it's something you want to add to your portfolio, just do it. Okay, just do it. If you don't, then that's okay, skip it. It's all about getting in early. Timing is essential, getting in early. But again, having said that, this is not a fly-by-night platform. This is like a big company, and I believe that this one has the potential. And I didn't wait for this guy to say it, because you can go watch my videos from a few days ago. This guy called it as well, but as I was saying, Qubittech has the potential to be the new Cashfx. So get in now and let's make some money together. This is Frankie, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, guys.